Hello mga ka-CE! I am Aubrey Charisel Villasica from Eastern Visayas State University, Ormoc City Campus, taking a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. So now, I will be discussing our previous final examination of analytic geometry for part 1. For question number 1 for part 1, find the area of the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared is equals to 6x minus 8y. So we are given the equation of a circle, which is the x squared plus y squared equals to 6x minus 8y. So first, let's rewrite the equation in standard form by moving all terms to one side. So we have here the x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 8y is equals to 0. Now, to complete the square for both x and y, we will manipulate the equation. So first, complete the square for x. So the coefficient of x is negative 6. Take half of negative 6, which is negative 3, and square it to get 9. And add and subtract 9 to complete the square. So we have here the x squared minus 6x is equals to 8 minus 3 squared is minus 2, 9. So to complete for the square of y, the coefficient of y is 8. Take half of 8, which is 4, and square it to get 16. And add and subtract 16 to complete the square. So we have here for y squared plus 8y is equals to y plus 4 squared minus 16. So now, substitute these complete squares back into the equations. To substitute, we have here the x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus y plus 4 squared minus 16 is equals to 0. So simplify the constant. To simplify, the constant, we have here the x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared minus 225 is equals to 0. So we need to add 25 both sides. So we have here the x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared is equals to 25. So now, we have the equation of a circle in standard form. The x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared is equals to 25. So this represents a circle with center 3 and negative 4. And the radius is square root of 25. So square root of 25 is equals to 5. So we have already our radius. So to find the area of the circle, we can use the formula. These are the formula that we can use, which is area is equals to pi r squared. So to find the area of a circle, we already have the radius, which is 5. So, pi times 5 squared is equals to 5 pi times 25. So, pi times 25 is equals to 25 pi. So, our final answer is 25 pi. For question number 2 for part 1, show your final answer in slope-intercept form and an intercepted form. So, A, find the equation of line passing through 5 and negative 5 and has a slope of negative 5. The general form of equation of line is y equals m times mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So, the slope, or m, is equals to negative 5, and the point is 5 and negative 5. Use the point slope form of the equation of a line. Is the point slope form is y minus y sub 1. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to m, or the slope, times x minus x sub 1. So, to substitute the slope, or the m is equals to negative 5, and x sub 1 and y sub 1 is equals to 5 and negative 5. So, we have here y minus negative 5 is equals to negative 5 times x minus 5. So, y plus 5 is equals to negative 5, then x minus 5. Y plus 5 is equals to negative 5, then 5x plus 25. So, y is equals to negative 5x plus 20. So, first, the intercept form of the equation is x over a plus y over b is equals to 1, where a is the x-intercept while b is the y-intercept. To convert to intercept form, we need the intercept for the slope-intercept form. Y is equals to negative 5x plus 20. The y-intercept is 20. So, b is equals to 20. To find the x-intercept, set y is equals to 0. So, 0 is equals to negative 5x plus 20. So, 5x equals 20 equals x is equals to 4. Therefore, the equation in intercept form is, we have here the x is over 4 plus y over 20. So x over 4 plus y over 20 is equals to 1. So our final answer is 1. For question number 2, for part B, find the equation of line passing through 3, 2, and 2 and 3. So to find the slope, the formula to find the slope between 2 points is x sub 1, y sub 2, and x sub 2, then y sub 2. So we have here m, or the slope m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So m is equals to 3 minus 2, then over 2 minus 3 is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, then 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So 1 divided by negative 1 is equals to negative 1. So we have here the negative 1. Slope intercept form, using the slope m is equals to negative 1 and point 3 and 2, we can use the point slope form for y is minus y sub 1 is equals to m, then times x minus x sub 1, then y is minus 2 is equals to negative 1, then times x minus 3. Y minus 2 is equals to negative x plus 3, then y is equals to negative x plus 5. So the equation of the line in slope intercept form is y equals to negative x plus 5. So this is it. And intercept form, to find the intercept form, the y-intercept is the value of y when x is equals to 0, then y is equals to negative 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. So we have here the y is equals to negative 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. So the x-intercept is the value of x when y is equals to 0. 0 is equals to negative x plus 5, then x is equals to 5. So therefore, the x-intercept is 5. So the equation and intercept form is x is over 5 plus y over 5 is equals to 1. So the final answer for part A and part B. So the part A, the slope intercept form for part A is y. Final answer is for slope intercept for A, intercept form is y is equals to negative 5x plus 20. For intercept form is x over 4 plus y over 20 is equals to 1. For part B, oh, okay, part A, then part B. The slope intercept form for B, the slope intercept is equals to y is equals to negative x plus 5. For intercept form, we have here the x over 5 plus y over 5 is equals to 1. So this is our final answer for part A and for part B. For question number 3 for part 1, find the equation of a line passing through 5 and negative 3 and parallel to 3x minus 5y equals to 8. So, to find the equation of a line passing through 5 and negative 3 and parallel to the line, which is the 3x minus 5y is equals to 8. So, we need to find the slope of the given line. So, first, we need to rewrite the equation of the given line and slope intercept form. So, y is equals to mx plus b. So, we have here the formula or the equation of the given line on slope intercept form. So, y is equals to mx plus b. So, where m is the slope. To solve for y, solve for y. So, negative 5y is equals to negative 3x plus 8. Then, y is equals to 3 over 5. Then, minus 8 over 5. That now, we see that the slope of the given line is m. M is equal to 3 over 5. So, we can use the same slope for the new line. Since the new line is parallel to the given line, it will have the same slope. M is equals to 3 over 5. So, we can use the point slope form to find the equation. The point slope form of a line is y minus y sub 1 is equals to m, then times x minus x sub 1. We are given the point 5 and negative 3, and the slope m is 3 over 5. So, substituting this into the point slope form, we can write the y is for negative 3 equals 3 over 5, then x minus 5, then y plus 3 is equals to 3 over 5. The 3 over 5, it is the slope intercept form, the m, then times to x minus 5. X minus 5. So, we can distribute the 3 over 5 on the right hand side, which is the y plus 3 is equals to 3 over 5x minus 3. Y plus 3 is equals to 3 over 5x minus 3. So, now, subtract 3 from both sides. We have here the y 3 over 5 x minus 6. So, the final answer of the equation of the line passing through 5 and negative 3 and the parallel to 3x minus 5y is equals to 8. Then, the final answer is, we have here the final answer. We already have the final answer. So, this is our final answer. The y is equals to 3 over 5 times y is equals to 3 over 5x minus 6. So this is our final answer for number 3. So let's move on to question number 4 for part 4. For question number 4 for part 1, find the equation of the circle in general form whose center is at negative 3 and 5 if it is tangent to the line with an equation 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So, to 0. So we are tasked with finding the equation of a circle in general form, given that its center is at negative 3 and 5, and it is tangent to the 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So the general equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So we have here the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So where h and k is the center of the circle and r is the radius. In our case, the center is at negative 3 and 5, so the equation becomes x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equals to r squared. To find the radius, since the circle is tangent to the line, the radius or r is the distance from the center of the circle to the line. The distance or d from a point x sub 1 and y sub 1 to a line ex plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given by the formula of d or distance is equals to ex sub 1 plus by sub 1 plus c over a squared plus square root of a squared plus b squared. For the line 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0, the coefficients are a is equals to 4, while b is equals to negative 3 and c is equals to 2. The center of the circle is at negative 3 and 5. So we can substitute the x sub 1 is equals to negative 3 and y sub 1 is equals to 5 into the formula. So distance or d 4 times negative 3 minus 3 times 5 plus 2 over square root of 4 squared plus negative 3 squared. So simplify the numerator. Numerator. So we have here the 4 times negative 3 minus 3 times 5 plus 2 is equals to negative 12 minus 15 plus 2 is equals to negative 25. So the distance is b negative 25 over square root of 16 plus 9 is equals to 25 over 5 is equals to 5. So 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. Since the radius of the circle is equals to the distance from the center to the line, we have the r is equals to 5 or radius is equals to 5. So now, we know the radius. We can substitute r squared equals to 25 into the equation of the circle. So we have here the x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equals to 25. We can expand the equation to put it in general form. So we have here the x plus 3 squared 2 squared is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So y minus 5 squared is equals to y squared minus 10y plus 25. So thus the equation of the circle becomes x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 9 y squared plus minus 10y plus 25 is equals to 0. So we have here the x squared plus xx plus 9 plus y squared is minus to 10y plus 25 is equals to 0. So simplify, can simplify this. We have here the x squared plus xx plus y squared minus 10y plus 34 is equals to 25. So subtract 25 both sides. So sub x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 10y plus 9 is equals to 0. So our final answer for number 4, we have the equation of the circle in general form is x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 10y plus 9 is equals to 0. So this is our final answer.